Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Thai Tamarind Dipping Sauce. It's very amazing Thai inspired sauce that is everything you will want and desire. Sweet, salty, a bit sour and spicy. Perfect the most of the grilled meat or also the meatball. You can find easily in Thai street food everywhere. If you come to Thailand, you will find it, and if you taste, you will love it. Start by getting a small sauce pot or medium low heat. Add the tamarind sauce or tamarind juice for 1 cup, and for tamarind juice is a variation depend with the concentration, and then this recipe you need to taste it and adjust a bit. For my tamarind juice is a bit of dilute, and then we're gonna add the half cup of coconut sugar, and we use low temperature, and then mix well until the sugar is dissolved. And then we're gonna add the half cup of the sugar and then mix it well. And we're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. We continue to simmer for about 20 minutes. This one will help is our sauce is more concentrated or more thick. During waiting the sauce, we gonna cut our coriander. Now our sauce is more thicker, and then we're gonna add the coriander. And then we're going to turn off the heat. Don't forget that after it's cooled down, the sauce will more thicker. And today we will prepare with the meatball. You can buy this meatball, pork or chicken or beef, whatever you like, and then grill it. And after that, you will eat with this sauce. And some people like to do the spicy. You need to add more for chili flakes. Now it look amazing, and then let's get Thai. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. I will have other Thai food and Thai desserts for you. So see you next time.